This time on ECRN Garage, we're going to go from this to this. A little cheat sheet for my bolts. There's the problem. Job done. Next, I'm going to try to install this little tachometer in between my gas tank. Be great to have a reference to see how the engine's running. Good for the break-in, plus for top speed runs. The more RPMs, the faster I can go. Here's the new piece I just fit up for the new tachometer. Just going to tack it into place and see if it's level, and then I'll final weld it. I've got the mount all welded on. I'll try to test fit. Just put some two-sided tape on there. I'll put a couple of Tach screws in after. There we go, one tack. Hopefully I'm gonna get this thing started up this afternoon and try out the new tack and my new Kickstart gear. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video, hopefully the startup. Thanks for watching.